Hello students. Next, rank and invertible matrix theorem. Let A be an ambient matrix, then following statements are each equivalent to the statement that A is invertible. First, the columns of A form a basis of Rn. Next, column space of A equal to Rn. Next, dimension of column space of A equal to n. Rank of A equal to n. Null space of A equal to singleton 0. Dimension of null space of A equal to 0. Proof. Equivalent means first implies 2, 2 implies 3 and so on. First proof, first implies 2. Suppose the columns of A form a basis of Rn. Columns of A form a basis of Rn means here Rn, dimension of Rn is n, means columns of A are nothing but the n, which implies dimension of column space of A equal to n, but dimension of Rn is also n, which implies column space of A equal to Rn. Next, second implies 3. To show that second implies 3, suppose column space of A equal to Rn, then we have to show that dimension of column space of A equal to n. Since column space of A equal to Rn, which implies dimension of column space of A equal to dimension of Rn, which is equal to n, which implies dimension of column space of A equal to n. Now to show that third implies 4. Suppose dimension of column space of A equal to n. Third implies 4, means suppose first dimension of column space of A equal to n, then show that rank of A equal to n. Here dimension of column space of A equal to n, we know that rank of A means dimension of column space of A, which implies rank of A which is equal to n, means here we get 4th. Now next, to show that 4th implies 5. Now to show that 4th implies 5, first suppose rank of A equal to n, and then show that null space of A equal to singleton 0. By rank nullity theorem, means rank theorem, by rank nullity theorem, we know that rank of A plus nullity of A equal to number of columns. We have A is ambient matrix, means number of columns are nothing but the n, and rank of A is n plus nullity of A, which implies nullity of A equal to 0, and nullity of A is nothing but the dimension of null space of A equal to 0, means null space contain singleton 0, then we can say that dimension of null space of A equal to 0. Next, to show that 5th implies 6, first suppose null space of A equal to singleton 0, and then show that dimension of null space equal to 0, and dimension of null space of A is nothing but the nullity of A. Null space of A equal to singleton 0, therefore dimension of null space of A means the set containing total number of vectors are nothing but the 0. So dimension of null space of A equal to 0. Next example, A equal to 3 by 4 matrix with entries 1, -4, 9, -7, -1, 2, -4, 1, 5, -6, 10, 7. Find basis for column space of A, row space of A, null space of A, rank of A, and dimension of null space of A. First, given matrix A equal to 1, -4, 9, -7, -1, 2, -4, 1, 5, -6, 10, 7. Now convert this matrix in row echelon form with suitable row operations. First row operation is R2 plus R1, and next simultaneously we used R3 minus 5R1. First row as it is 1, -4, 9, -7. Second and third row becomes 0, -2, 5, -6, 0, 14, -35, 42. Next row operation is R3 upon 7. We get first row as it is, and third row become 0, 2, -5, 6. And next row operation is R3 plus R2. We get first row as it is 1, -4, 9, -7, 0, -2, 5, -6, and third row become 0 row. Now to find basis for column space of A. Here pivot entries occurs in first and second column. Here we can observe pivot entries occurs in first and second column of above matrix. So basis for column space of A is nothing but the first and second column of given matrix A. 1, -1, 5, and -4, 2, -6. Now basis for row space of A. Basis for row space of A equal to these non-zero rows. First row 1, -4, 9, -7, and 0, -2, 5, -6. Next, to find null space of A, rank of A, and null space of A. Here dimension of column space of A equal to 2. Dimension of column space of A equal to 2. Also dimension of row space of A equal to 2, which implies rank of A equal to 2. Rank means dimension of column space of A. Now to find basis for null space of A, we know that null space of A is nothing but Dx such that A into x equal to 0. First write, when we consider A augmented O, we get 1, -4, 9, -7, -1, 2, -4, 1, 5, -6, 10, 7 at 0 column, and convert it row echelon form. We get same matrix this, and only add 0 column here. We get 1, -4, 9, -7, 0, -2, 5, -6, 0, 0, 0, 0 equivalent. Now here you can see that pivot entries occurs in first and second column. So put the free variable x3 and x4. Put x3 equal to s, x4 equal to t. Now write the equation from this matrix. We get x1 minus 4x2 plus 9x3 minus 7x4 equal to 0. Second equation is minus 2x2 plus 5x3 minus 6x4 equal to 0. Which implies minus 2x2 equal to minus 5x3 plus 6x4 implies x2 equal to minus 5x3 plus 6x4 upon minus 2 equal to minus 5x3 is s, x4 is t, minus 5s plus 6t upon minus 2 equal to 5s minus 6t upon 2. Now to find x1 equal to 4x2 minus 9x3 plus 7x4. From this equation, x1 equal to 4x2 minus 9x3 plus 7x4. Now put these values in this equation. We get 4, 5s minus 6t upon 2 minus 9x3 is s plus 7x4 is t equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We get 10s minus 12t minus 9s plus 7t equal to s minus 5t. So x1 equal to s minus 5t. Just a minute. Therefore, we get x1 equal to s minus 5t, x2 equal to 5s minus 6t upon 2, x3 equal to s, x4 equal to t, and null space of A equal to x, where x equal to x1, x2, x3, x4 such that A into x equal to 0. Therefore, null space of A, x1 is s minus 5t, x2 is 5s minus 6t upon 2, x3 is s, x4 is t, such that st belongs to R. Now take s and t common. We get 1, 5 by 2, 1, 0 plus t minus 5 minus 3, 0, 1. Where st belongs to R. Therefore, basis for null space of A equal to these two vectors. 1, 5 by 2, 1, 0 minus 5 minus 3, 0, 1. Therefore, dimension of null space of A equal to this set containing how many vectors? 2 vectors. So, dimension of null space of A equal to 2. That means nullity of A equal to 2. Also, if we want to verify your answer, then use rank nullity theorem. By rank nullity theorem, rank A plus nullity of A means dimension of null space of A equal to number of columns. Here number of columns equal to 4, and here we got rank of A equal to 2 and nullity of A equal to 2 means dimension of null space of A equal to 2. So, rank of A plus dimension of null space of A, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, and we have number of columns equal to 4 means our answer is correct. Next example. Prove that an n square matrix A is invertible if and only if rank of A equal to n. Solution. Consider In n by n unit matrix or identity matrix. Since it is in echelon form, its rows or columns are linearly independent, hence rank of identity matrix whose order n equal to n. For your understanding, consider n by n identity matrix means 1 0 0 0 1 0 and so on 0 0 1. This is the n by n identity matrix. Here no need to convert in echelon form because it is already in echelon form. Also, when we calculate determinant of identity matrix, we get 1 means not equal to 0. So identity matrix is invertible and rank of In means number of non-zero rows are nothing but the n. In words, here we write the explanation of this In matrix. Next, if A is invertible, then A is equivalent to In. A is equivalent to In means when we convert A into reduced row echelon form, we get identity matrix of order n. But when A is invertible matrix, then and then it is equivalent to In. Hence, rank of A equal to n. If A is not invertible, then A is equivalent to a matrix. A is equivalent to a matrix with 0 row or column. Hence, rank of A less than n. Therefore, A is invertible if and only if rank of A, row of A means rank of A equal to n. Next, note largest rank of an m by n matrix equal to minimum of mn. If we get m by n matrix and then ask a rank of A, then rank of A are nothing but the minimum of mn. Next example, if A is 7 by 5 matrix, what is the largest possible rank of A? By using the note, A is 7 by 5 matrix and minimum of 7 and 5 equal to 5. So, the largest possible rank of A, equal to 5. Next example, if A is 5 by 7 matrix and rank of A equal to 3, then what is nullity of A? By rank nullity theorem, we know rank of A plus nullity of A equal to number of columns. Rank of A is 3 plus nullity of A equal to number of columns are nothing but the 7, which implies nullity of A equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. So, nullity of A equal to 4. Here we stop.